Welcome back to Space and Place Smart Ideas. If you're looking for creative, functional and stylish ways to design a children's bedroom, you're in the right place. Today we'll explore amazing bedroom ideas for kids of all ages. Whether you're designing for siblings, a baby, a teenager, or a room with a specific theme, every child deserves a space that is comfortable, inspiring and practical. So we've gathered some of the best design ideas to make your kid's bedroom both fun and functional. Now let's dive in. When designing a shared bedroom for siblings, the key is maximizing space, ensuring functionality, and maintaining individual identity. A well-designed room allows each child to feel comfortable and independent while also fostering togetherness. Bunk beds and loft beds. Great space savers that add fun to the room. Divided spaces. Use curtains, shelves, or rugs to create personal zones. Neutral and gender-inclusive themes. Soft pastels, nature-inspired, or modern designs work well for both kids. Multipurpose furniture. Desks that double as storage or foldable seating help keep things tidy. No matter the age difference, a well-planned shared bedroom can be stylish, practical, and enjoyable for everyone. A girl's bedroom should feel like a personal retreat. Whether she loves princess themes, floral elegance, or modern chic decor, the goal is to create a beautiful and inspiring space that reflects her personality. Soft color palettes. Blush pink, lavender, mint green, and creamy neutrals add warmth. Decorative lighting. Fairy lights, pendant lamps, and chic chandeliers enhance the ambience. Theme decor. From boho chic to fantasy themes, adding wallpaper, murals, or statement pieces makes a difference. Functional storage. Baskets, wall shelves, and hidden compartments keep things neat. A well-designed girl's bedroom blends comfort, creativity, and functionality, making it a place she'll love to grow in. A boy's bedroom is a space for rest, play, and creativity. Whether he's into space exploration, dinosaurs, cars, or superheroes, the key is to balance fun and practicality. Bold color schemes. Deep blues, forest greens, and burnt oranges make a statement. Themed designs. Sports, space, jungle, or nautical elements create excitement. Active zones. A small indoor climbing wall, a reading nook, or a creative corner can inspire movement and imagination. Sturdy furniture and smart storage. Strong, multifunctional pieces keep up with an energetic lifestyle. With the right decor and organization, a boy's bedroom can be both exciting and functional. A baby's nursery is all about creating a soothing, safe, and practical environment for both baby and parents. Thoughtful design choices can make the space feel cozy and organized. Soft, neutral color palettes, white, beige, soft blues, or pastel tones create a calming effect. Convertible furniture. Cribs that turn into toddler beds, changing tables that double as dressers. Gentle lighting. Soft night lights, dimmable lamps, and blackout curtains help with better sleep. Minimalist decor with sensory elements. Textured rugs, soft mobiles, and plush toys add a touch of warmth. Designing a nursery with both style and function in mind ensures that it remains practical and beautiful as the baby grows. A teenager's bedroom should be a reflection of their individuality, lifestyle, and evolving needs. It's a space for studying, relaxing, and socializing, so creating a room that's both trendy and practical is key. Personalized decor. DIY projects, posters, mood boards, or neon signs. Multifunctional spaces. Combining a study desk, lounging area, and sleeping zone efficiently. Smart storage solutions. Wall-mounted shelves, underbed drawers, and stylish organizers. Trendy color palettes. Earthy tones, monochrome themes, or vibrant accent walls. By incorporating style and function, a teen's room becomes a space they love and feel comfortable in. And that's a wrap on our best children's bedroom ideas. We've covered designs for siblings, girls, boys, babies, and teenagers, making sure there's something for every age and style. Now, we'd love to hear from you. Which bedroom style is your favorite? Drop a comment below. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the best home design inspiration. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.